break and continue statement. We have already seen our break statement when we were using switch case. So we all know what is the use of break. Break is used to come out of the loop or out of the block that you are using. In case of switch, we were coming out of switch. In case of loops, we will come out of the loop. The moment your system is going to get the break statement, it is going to stop executing the loop and it will directly come to the last of that is ending of the loop. Okay, we'll see one program related to this also. Now continue. What happens in continue statement is used to skip statement block and the control is passed to the beginning of next iteration. So now let's take for example that I want the first iteration, second iteration and third iteration to execute. But I do not want the fourth iteration to execute and I want fifth, sixth, seventh and so forth to execute. In that case, we use continue statement. When you use continue statement, that particular iteration is skipped and the next iteration is started. Okay, let's see it in a program. So here we have one example related to break. We will continue, we'll see. In the same example, we will use break. So here this is an example. Doc type HTML, head, title, close the head, close the title, body, H1 script, language is equals to JavaScript. There are two variables, I and N. N is basically not needed. There is a variable I. For loop is used. For I equal to 1, initialize I less than 10. Less than 11. So this is also a way of writing I less than equal to 10. So you can write I less than 11 or you can write I less than equal to 10. Both the statements, they mean the same thing. Then this is our loop iteration I++. For starting, if I equal to 4, then continue. Document.write I. So now let's see the execution of this and then we will see how it is going to work. See over here, this is your continue statement. 1, 2, 3. Then we don't have 4. We directly have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So what is happening over here? So here, first I is initialized to 1. 1 is less than 11, condition is true. Then again it goes in the for statement. 1 equal 4, it is false. It is false, so it is going to execute document.write I. So when it tries document.write I, it is going to write 1 on the web page. So it is written 1 over here. Next, I++. So I becomes 2. 2 less than 11, condition is true. It goes to the loop. 2 equal 4, condition is false. Document.write 2. So it is printing 2. I++, so I becomes 3. 3 is equal 4. Again it is false. So document.write 3. then it will print 3. Next, 4, I 4. After that, it enters the for loop. 4 equal 4. Now this condition is true. When this condition is true, it sees continue statement. When it sees continue statements, it goes back up to the loop iteration. It is going to skip the remaining steps and it is going to go back to the next iteration. So it is going up, I++, value becomes 5. 5 is less than 11, true. 5 equal 4, condition is false, so document.write 5. Similarly for 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is how continue statement is used to skip one of the iteration. If we do not want an iteration to execute, we use continue statement. That iteration is skipped and it moves to the next one. Okay, I hope the continue statement is clear with everyone. Now just I am using, instead of continue, I am using break. We've already seen break in switch case. The moment it gets the break, it comes out of the loop. It stops executing. So I'll press F5 here. 1, 2, 3. So here what happens? 1 less than 11. True. This 1 equal 4. Condition is false. It comes down. It prints I. I becomes 2. 2 less than 11. Again, the condition is true. 2 equal 4. Condition is false. It comes over here. Document.write 2. It is going to write 2. I I++. So I becomes 3. 3 is less than 11. Condition is true. Enters the loop. 3 equal 4. It is false. It comes over here. Document.write 3. Next, I I++. So I becomes 4. 4 is less than equal to 11. Condition is true. 4 equal 4. Again, now this if condition is also true. So when this is true, it goes inside the if and checks a break. The moment it gets a break, it comes out of the loop. Okay, it is going to break out of the loop and it will not go to next iteration. This is the use of break statement. If we want to terminate the loop in between, we can use break statement. Okay, so I hope everyone has got the difference of break and continue statements. Okay, these are simple keywords, simple statement. You write with a semicolon and it will work. Students, please practice these examples one. Many a times you get examples related to for loop and while loop. You will get examples, print numbers from 20 to 30, print numbers from 100 to 50, 100 to 50 reverse order. So all these kind of examples can be asked in your 5 marks programming question. Okay, so this is what we have on for today. Keep practicing.